Have you ever looked around your home and wondered why it feels so crowded, even when it isn't particularly small? Many people assume that the solution to clutter, lack of storage, and cramped living spaces is simply buying a bigger house. However, Japan has spent decades proving that the opposite can also be true. Today, we are exploring 20 tiny Japanese home ideas that simply make sense. And by the end of this video, you may find yourself looking at your own home very differently. Before we continue, hit subscribe so you never miss the latest updates. Number 1. Genkin entryways that stop dirt at the door. One of the first things visitors notice when entering a Japanese home is the presence of the Genkin, a small lowered entryway that separates the outside world from the clean interior of the house. At first glance, this may appear to be a simple cultural tradition, but it actually solves several common household problems at once. Shoes collect dirt, dust, rainwater, bacteria, and countless other contaminants throughout the day. In many homes around the world, these shoes travel directly across carpets, bedrooms, and kitchens, spreading everything they have encountered outdoors. The Genkin creates a clear physical boundary between outside and inside. Shoes are removed immediately, and many families change into indoor slippers before entering the living areas. This simple practice keeps floors cleaner, reduces the amount of time spent cleaning, and allows people to sit or relax comfortably on the floor. Number 2. Floor-level dining tables that save space. Large dining tables and tall chairs can consume a surprising amount of space, especially in smaller homes. Japanese homes often use low dining tables that sit closer to the floor, allowing family members to sit on cushions or low chairs rather than traditional dining furniture. This immediately creates a more open feeling inside the room because the furniture occupies less visual space and allows sightlines to remain clear. These lower tables also create a more intimate atmosphere during meals. Families sit closer together, conversations become easier, and the dining area often feels warmer and more comfortable. In some homes, the tables can even be folded away or moved when additional space is needed. This flexibility allows one room to serve several purposes throughout the day, rather than being permanently dedicated to dining. Number 3. Foldable futons instead of permanent beds. One of the most famous features of traditional Japanese homes is the futon, a mattress that can be folded and stored during the daytime. While many people are accustomed to large beds that permanently occupy a room, Japanese futons allow the same space to perform multiple functions. During the day, the sleeping area can become a living room, a workspace, or an area for guests and family activities. This flexibility is especially valuable in smaller homes where every square foot matters. Instead of dedicating an entire room to a bed that remains unused for much of the day, Japanese homes allow rooms to change according to the needs of the household. Futons can also be aired out regularly, helping maintain cleanliness and reducing moisture buildup. The idea may seem unusual to people who have always used permanent beds, but it reflects an important philosophy in Japanese design. Spaces should adapt to people rather than forcing people to adapt to their spaces. Number 4. Sliding doors that eliminate wasted space. Traditional swinging doors require a significant amount of empty floor space in order to open and close properly. Japanese homes often solve this problem by using sliding doors, which move sideways along tracks and require almost no additional room. Although this difference may seem small, it can dramatically improve the layout of a home, especially when space is limited. Furniture can be placed closer to walls, rooms can open into one another, and living areas become far more flexible. Some sliding doors are designed to allow natural light to pass through while still providing privacy, making rooms feel larger and brighter. Number 5. Underfloor storage compartments. Many Japanese homes make use of areas that most people never even consider. One of the smartest examples is underfloor storage. Hidden compartments beneath raised flooring can store bedding, seasonal decorations, emergency supplies, clothing, or household items that are not needed every day. Because these storage areas remain hidden, rooms stay organized and free from clutter. This approach is especially useful in smaller homes where additional closets may not be available. Rather than filling rooms with cabinets and shelves, Japanese design often looks for unused spaces that can quietly serve practical purposes. Number 6. Bathroom drying rooms for laundry. Rainy weather can make laundry extremely difficult, especially for people living in apartments without outdoor drying space. Japanese homes often solve this problem by turning bathrooms into drying rooms. Special ventilation systems circulate warm air, allowing clothing to dry indoors regardless of the weather outside. This system offers several advantages. Clothes remain protected from pollen, dust, and pollution, while laundry can continue even during long periods of rain. Many systems also help control humidity, reducing mold and moisture problems inside the home. The bathroom becomes more than simply a place for bathing. It becomes a practical, multi-purpose space that performs several important functions. This ability to make one room serve multiple purposes is one of the defining characteristics of Japanese home design. Number 7. Compact kitchens designed around efficiency. Japanese kitchens are often much smaller than those found in many Western homes, yet they frequently function more efficiently. Every appliance, cabinet, and work surface is carefully positioned to reduce unnecessary movement while cooking. The sink, stove, and refrigerator remain close together, allowing meals to be prepared quickly and comfortably. Because space is limited, only useful items are kept within the kitchen. Storage solutions make use of walls, corners, and vertical space, while cabinets are designed to maximize capacity. Rather than focusing on large islands or oversized appliances, Japanese kitchens prioritize function and convenience. Number 8. Deep soaking bathtubs in small bathrooms. Despite having relatively small bathrooms, many Japanese homes include deep soaking tubs that provide a surprisingly comfortable bathing experience. Instead of being long and shallow, these tubs are shorter and much deeper, allowing people to sit upright while warm water reaches their shoulders. Bathing in Japan is often considered an important daily ritual, rather than simply a method of cleaning. After washing outside the tub, people soak quietly to relax and recover from the day. Some modern systems even reheat the bathwater so multiple family members can use it comfortably. Number 9. Multi-purpose rooms that change throughout the day. Many homes dedicate each room to a single purpose, but Japanese homes frequently allow rooms to serve multiple functions. A living room may become a bedroom at night, while a dining area may transform into a workspace during the day. Furniture can be moved, folded, or stored as needed. This flexibility allows smaller homes to support larger families and changing lifestyles. Instead of building additional rooms, Japanese design focuses on making existing spaces more useful. Number 10. Built-in wall storage instead of large furniture. One of the biggest reasons homes begin to feel crowded is not necessarily the number of possessions people own, but the amount of furniture required to store them. Large wardrobes, bulky cabinets, bookshelves, and storage units can occupy a surprising amount of floor space. Japanese homes often avoid this problem by incorporating storage directly into the structure of the house itself. Closets, shelves, cabinets, and hidden compartments are built into walls, allowing rooms to remain open and uncluttered. Because the storage is planned from the beginning, there is less need for oversized furniture that dominates the room. Sliding doors conceal shelves, built-in closets blend into walls, and storage areas become part of the architecture rather than separate pieces of furniture. This approach not only saves space, but also creates a calmer and more organized appearance. Number 11. Vertical shelving that uses every inch. When most people run out of storage space, they immediately think about expanding outward. Japanese homes often solve the same problem by looking upward. Walls become valuable storage areas, and vertical space is used far more efficiently than in many other countries. Tall shelves, wall-mounted cabinets, hanging organizers, and overhead storage systems allow families to store more items without sacrificing valuable floor space. This approach is especially important in smaller apartments where every square foot matters. Seasonal items, books, household supplies, and rarely used possessions can all be stored above eye level, leaving living areas open and uncluttered. Some homes even include loft spaces or elevated sleeping areas that make use of otherwise empty vertical space. Number 12. Shoe cabinets hidden near the entrance. The entrance of a home often creates the first impression for both residents and guests. In many households, shoes, umbrellas, and outdoor items quickly accumulate near the front door, creating clutter and making the entrance feel disorganized. Japanese homes address this problem by including dedicated shoe cabinets directly beside the Genkin. allowing everything to remain neatly stored and easily accessible. These cabinets often contain shelves for different types of footwear, storage areas for umbrellas, and even compartments for slippers used inside the house. Because shoes are immediately stored after entering the home, the living spaces remain cleaner and more organized. This small design decision helps reduce visual clutter and creates a feeling of calm from the moment someone walks inside. Number 13. Raised platforms with hidden storage. One of the cleverest ways Japanese homes create additional storage is by raising certain sections of the floor. Elevated sleeping areas, seating platforms, or raised living spaces often contain hidden storage compartments underneath. These spaces can store bedding, seasonal clothing, books, household supplies, or items that are not used every day. This approach combines multiple functions within the same area. A platform can serve as a seating area during the day while storing valuable belongings underneath. Beds may sit above large storage drawers, eliminating the need for additional furniture elsewhere in the room. Because the storage remains hidden, the home feels cleaner and less crowded. Raised platforms also help define different areas within open floor plans without requiring walls or separate rooms. Number 14. Corner sinks and compact wash areas. Bathrooms in Japanese homes are often much smaller than those found in many Western countries. Yet they remain highly functional because every inch is carefully planned. Corner sinks, wall-mounted fixtures, and compact wash areas allow these rooms to provide everything necessary without wasting valuable space. Instead of designing large bathrooms that contain unused areas, Japanese homes focus on efficiency. Many sinks are positioned to take advantage of corners that would otherwise remain empty. Storage is built into walls, mirrors contain cabinets, and fixtures are arranged to allow comfortable movement within a limited area. The result is a bathroom that feels practical rather than cramped. This approach demonstrates that a room does not need to be large in order to function well. Careful planning and intelligent design often matter more than size. Number 15. Indoor clothes hanging systems. Drying clothes can be difficult for people living in apartments or areas with frequent rain. Japanese homes often solve this problem by installing ceiling-mounted clothes racks or retractable hanging systems that allow laundry to dry indoors without occupying valuable floor space. These systems can be lowered when needed and hidden when not in use. Because many homes have limited outdoor space, indoor drying has become an important part of daily life. Clothes remain protected from bad weather, dust, pollen, and pollution while drying safely inside the home. Combined with bathroom drying systems, these solutions allow people to do laundry throughout the year, regardless of weather conditions. The ability to hide these drying systems when they are not being used helps maintain a clean appearance and prevents rooms from feeling crowded. Number 16. Space-saving staircases with storage drawers. Staircases often contain large amounts of unused space underneath or even inside the steps themselves. Japanese homes frequently transform these overlooked areas into practical storage solutions. Drawers built into stair steps, cabinets beneath staircases, and hidden compartments make use of space that would otherwise remain empty. These storage areas can hold shoes, books, household supplies, seasonal decorations, or children's toys. Because the storage is integrated directly into the staircase, additional cabinets are often unnecessary. This keeps rooms more open while increasing storage capacity. The idea reflects one of the most important principles in Japanese design. Every part of the home should serve a purpose whenever possible. Instead of accepting wasted space, Japanese homes look for opportunities to make every structure more useful. The result is greater efficiency without increasing the size of the house itself. Number 17. Small balconies designed for maximum utility. Although balconies in Japanese apartments are often quite small, they are rarely wasted. These spaces may be used for drying laundry, growing plants, storing outdoor items, or providing additional ventilation. Folding furniture and compact shelving allow even tiny balconies to perform several functions at once. Rather than serving purely decorative purposes, these outdoor spaces contribute directly to daily life. Many residents use balconies to create small gardens or areas for relaxation, despite the limited space available. The focus remains on practicality rather than size. This philosophy demonstrates that useful spaces do not need to be large in order to improve quality of life. Number 18. Energy-saving heating solutions, like Kotatsu. One of Japan's most famous household inventions is the Kotatsu, a heated table covered by a blanket that allows people to stay warm without heating an entire room. Families gather around the table during winter, keeping their legs and bodies warm while reducing energy consumption. This approach reflects a larger philosophy found throughout Japanese homes. Instead of heating or cooling every room equally, comfort is often focused where people actually spend their time. Layered clothing, localized heating systems, and efficient climate control help reduce energy costs while maintaining comfort. As energy prices continue to rise around the world, these ideas become increasingly relevant. The Kotatsu demonstrates that simple solutions can often outperform more expensive ones, and that comfort does not always require heating large empty spaces. Number 19. Minimalist organization that reduces clutter. Many Japanese homes embrace a philosophy of keeping only what is useful, meaningful, or necessary. Rather than filling rooms with decorations, furniture, and possessions, the focus remains on creating calm and functional spaces. Storage hides unnecessary items, furniture serves practical purposes, and open space itself becomes valuable. This approach reduces visual clutter and makes cleaning easier while helping homes feel larger than they actually are. Minimalism in Japanese homes is not about living without possessions. Instead, it is about carefully choosing which possessions deserve space within the home. Many people discover that reducing clutter also reduces stress, creating environments that feel peaceful and comfortable. Number 20. Flexible living spaces that adapt to daily life. Perhaps the most important lesson Japanese homes offer is flexibility. Instead of designing rooms around furniture or fixed purposes, many Japanese homes are designed around the changing needs of the people who live in them. Rooms transform throughout the day, furniture moves or folds away, and spaces perform multiple functions whenever necessary. This flexibility allows even very small homes to feel surprisingly spacious and useful. Families can adapt rooms for work, sleep, dining, entertainment, or guests without requiring additional square footage. Japanese homes demonstrate that living comfortably does not always require more space. Instead, they show how thoughtful design, flexibility, and practical solutions can dramatically improve daily life. From hidden storage and foldable furniture to efficient kitchens and multi-purpose rooms, these ideas solve problems that millions of people experience every day. That's it for today. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more updates you won't want to miss.